Comedy play openly ridicules Mugabe and his wife Grace. Mugabe's mocked in comedy play in Zimbabwe. Zimbabweans push the boundaries as they take aim at their former strongman. A comedy about the coup that toppled Zimbabwe's longest-serving president, Robert Mugabe, is taking center stage in Harare. The play openly ridicules him and his wife, something that would have been unthinkable during Mugabe's 37-year rule. Al Jazeera tells how Zimbabweans are testing their new leadership. Thank you for listening our video. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.